Hi there guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the best affordable lipsticks that I have personally found. Now, before we get started, hit that bell notifications and hit that subscribe button, and then let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start from the lowest to the highest that I have found. So the very first one is from a brand called Essence. Now Essence is a small brand. They're really cute. They make like super cute products. I love their highlighters. I love their lipsticks, obviously. And I love their brushes. One of my favorite blending brushes is from Essence, and they look like these. So I definitely love those. I have tons of them. But I've come to talk to you about their lipsticks. Now, these are their lipsticks. These are called the Velvet Matte Lipsticks, and they retail for only $3.99. I love these. These are in the shade 10 and 11. Now, I'm going to swatch them for you just to show you how much I love it. So, here we go. There's the first one. Look how velvety and smooth that like just slid right on my hand. Oh. And on the lips, it feels amazing. And then this one is in the shade 10. This one is my favorite because I just love this color. Like, boom. Like, oh, the way those just glide right on, it's amazing. Now, with these lipsticks, it definitely does not dry down fully matte. It is the velvet matte, so it feels very hydrating on the lips, and it will move around a little bit, so you do have to be careful about that. But they are so beautiful, and they feel so good on the lips. The next lipstick that I have found is from Flower Beauty. These are the Petal Pout Matte Lip Colors. Now that is a long name, but they are very beautiful and very pigmented. This one is in the shade Hibiscus Kiss, which is 085. This one is actually my favorite one. Now this one isn't as velvet as the Essence one. This one is more matte, so it does feel a little more thick on the lips, but it's so beautiful. Like, just look at that pigmentation. Guys, it's like, it makes me speechless. I just love it so much. And then this one is in the shade Ruby Rogue, and it is number 110. I'm gonna slide this one too. Boom. Those are so beautiful and so pigmented. Guys, literally, they make me speechless. I literally have no words to describe how beautiful they are. Like, the pigmentation is amazing. I love how it feels on the lips. It does have that more thicker feeling to it because it is more matte and drying, but what's great about them is that they have just like this little hydration to it, so then it doesn't feel like it's sucking the moisture out of your lips. So you don't need to like reapply some more, or you don't need to put like a lip balm at the end of it, or like keep applying lip balm on it, because it just feels like really moisturized. Like, it catches the moisturizer on your lips. Does that make sense? That way it doesn't dry out your lips all the way. It is so hard to find good lipsticks like that, so I love that about this one. And this retails for $7.99. The next lipstick I want to talk to you about is from the brand called Almay. This is the Lip Vibes lipstick. Now, you probably have seen them because they have such a beautiful packaging on them. They have sort of like a floral packaging with their main color at the base of it. I love these ones, not only because of their pigmentation, but because the color range is just so beautiful, and it's so, what's the word? It's like a festival. It's unique. I love it. These are just some of my favorite ones that like are super unique that I rarely find. This is a like pure lip nude. This one is a beautiful orange, and then a vibrant pink. It's just, I love the color range. Here's the swatch so you can see the full bright pigmentation of it. It is so beautiful. This lipstick is definitely not a matte formula, so it's definitely gonna be feeling like slippery on the lips, and it's gonna feel really, really hydrating and moisturizing. But since it will move around, it'll get on the teeth, it'll get like on your food and stuff like that, so you really have to be careful with these lipsticks. The pigmentation is amazing, but because, so there's one swipe, it's a little streaky, but put a second one, boom, there's the full color. Put a third one, even more color. What I love about it is that the color is there. It's super beautiful, super amazing pigmentation, but because it's like more hydrating and more moisturizing, it's more smoother. Therefore, you have to put maybe another 2 layers on so you can get the full pigmentation, because if it was a matte one, then it would stick with the full pigmentation color. But because these are more, I want to say soft, you will have to put 2 layers. But because since it was made to put 2 layers, it doesn't get, what's the word? Clumpy. It doesn't get clumpy on the lips. It doesn't get like super mattifying, super drying on the lips when you put more than 1 layer. It just adds on to the hydration. So literally, I just love it so much. Here's the next one. This one is that beautiful nude one that I just love. There we go. There's all 3 of them. The nude one at the end right here, this one is called Go Wild. This is in number 120. The orange one is called Smile, and that is in number 160. And then the pink one is called Love Big, and that is the number 300. I kind of made it a goal to try to collect as many of these as I can because they are so beautiful. The color range is amazing. They have from like oranges, they have blues, purples, nudes, reds. Oh, the like just the color story is amazing. I highly recommend trying to grab these when you can because they're just so moisturizing, so beautiful, and just the colors beautiful. And these also retail for $7.99. The fourth and final lipstick brand that I want to talk to you about is from actually the Sephora collection. This is called the #Lip Stories. These are super beautiful. These lipsticks came after their other lipstick ones. If you remember, they were in a black tube and they were sort of like hourglass shaped. So those ones got discontinued, and then they came out with the #Lip Stories. Honestly, beautiful. Total upgrade from their other lipsticks, and let me show you why. So first off, the way they look, they just look so beautiful. Okay, the colors, just like the Almay, are so beautiful. Such a wide variety and such unique colors. Guys, I just love vibrant colors, different colors that you wouldn't wear every single day, you know. I just love it so much. And so let me show you just the one swipe. Boom. Like, just look at how pigmented that was with one swipe. I just guys, I literally can't even. What I love about this one is also they have different sections for their lipsticks. So they have matte lipsticks, they have metal matte lipsticks, which means they have more of a shine to them. They have the more velvet lipsticks, which are more hydrating, of course, and I just love it. So this one, the pink one that I just showed you, that one is named number 12, and that is part of the matte series. Then this one is in the shade number 9. This one is also part of the matte series. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them because it's such like a perfect deep nude. And I just, look how beautiful those are. One swipe pigmentation. I just, guys, I literally can't even tell you how much I love these ones. Now the next one I'm going to show you is called number 51. This is actually part of the metal mattes, and let me just show you, like, look how beautiful that is. and then one swipe, boom. Guys, literally just look at that pigmentation, look at how sparkly and shiny that is. And what I love, like literally love about the metal ones is that the glitter and the shine to it goes throughout the whole lipstick. Like it doesn't just, it's not just the top, it's not just little bits and parts, it's literally the whole entire lipstick, and it's super beautiful. And what I love is that these lipsticks, as you can see, there's still a little shine to them even though they're mattes. What I love is that that shine is more of like the hydration coming in, so it stays hydrated for a very long period of time. But I will admit that at one point it does start getting clumpy on the lips, so then I would recommend like grabbing makeup wipes when you wear it and just wipe off a little bit of it to reapply, because sometimes, you know, if you're like me, you talk a lot, you eat a lot, so they do get more clumpy and they does sort of fade away after some time. So I would definitely recommend getting like some little travelable wipes or something just to touch up on them just in case. But when these retail for $8, literally guys, I love them so much. I have also made it a goal to try and collect as many as I can of these ones, just because they are so beautiful. The colors, the pigmentation, literally everything. And what I love is about all these lipsticks is that literally every single one of these are less than $10. And the lipstick range are so beautiful. The Almay and the Sephora one have the most beautiful festival unique color range ever, and I highly recommend it. The Flower Beauty and the Essence ones, those ones range from like the reds to the nudes, which is not bad whatsoever, especially for their price point. The different range of the nudes and the reds are very beautiful and very unique to different skin tones, so I definitely recommend trying those ones if you're just a nude type person. If you are like me and just love vibrant colors at such an affordable price, Sephora and Almay have such a beautiful one. Alright guys, I know this one was a little more shorter than my other affordable products, but I really love these lipsticks and I highly recommend for you to try them. Make sure to go check them out. I'll leave some links down below so that you can find them and test them out and everything like that. For the Almay and Flower Beauty ones, you can find them at Walmart, Target, and pretty much any other department store. For the Essence, you can definitely find those at Ulta, and then with the Sephora one, you can obviously only find that one at Sephora. Alrighty guys, leave a comment down below of what your favorite affordable lipstick is and if I named any of your favorite brands, and tell me to try one out that you found, because I'm always looking to find beautiful affordable lipsticks to test out for you guys and for me as well. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications. Make sure to give this video a like and follow all my social media. The links will be down below as usual. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday.